Today we're going to take a look at what we call percent of change. Now, the percent of change can take place two different ways. There could be an increase in price or there could be a decrease in price. Now, if stores have people that go out and buy for them, and when they go out and they buy in bulk, and then when they come back, they will increase the price before they put it out on the floor to sell it to us. And then one day you go to the store and they say, sale, that means that there's a decrease. So we have a markup, which is an increase in, and then we have when something goes on sale, or we have a discount, then we have a decrease. Now, in order for us to do our percent of change problems, we're going to use a proportion. We're going to take the percent, place it over 100, and set it up to be equal to the change in amount divided by the original amount. Okay? The change in amount divided by the original amount. So, let's solve. We're going to find the percent of increase, or let's say the percent of change, and we're going to round answers to the nearest tenth of a percent if necessary. So example 1. If I had 25 is decreased to 18. Well, I already know that it is a percent of decrease because the word tells me that it had been decreased. So what we're going to do is set up our proportion. So we're trying to find the percent of change. So that means that percent is unknown to me. So I'll use a variable. So I'll use n over 100 is equal to. Now it said change in amount. Okay, it started at 25. Now it has become 18. So that means in order to get the change, you've got to subtract. So 25 minus 18 gives us 7. And place it over the original. It started at 25, so that is our original, so it's 7 over 25. Now I have a proportion, and to solve a proportion, if you recall, we do the cross products. So I'll multiply 25 times n, which gives me 25n. Multiply 100 times 7, that gives me 700. Again, this is multiplication. The inverse operation is division, so divide by 25. These 25s cancel out, so when you finish, you have an answer of 28%. Example 2. For example 2, 36 is increased by, or increased to, 84. Again, let's set up the proportion. The percent is unknown to me, so I'll put a variable over 100 equals to, all right? Then I need to find the difference. So I need to take 84 and you're going to subtract 636 from it, okay? So you get 14 minus 6, which gives you 8, and 7 minus 3 gives you 4. So that gives you a 48 for your difference. And then you look at it and see which number is the original. Well, it started at what? 36. It increased to 84, so 36 is the original. Again, do the cross products. N times 36 is 36N. 100 times 48 gives you 4,800. Divide both sides by that 36. These 36s cancel. So you end up with N is equal to 133.3%, okay? Because when you use your calculator and you take that 4,800 and divide it by 36, on the calculator, this is what you see. That is what you see on your calculator. And the instruction said round to the nearest tenth. Well, remember, you need to identify tenths place. This is tenths place. The digit to the right of it is less than 5, so that means that 3 remains the same. So that is how we got that 133.3%. Example 3. $62 is decreased to 52. Again, I'll put N over 100 is equal to, subtract, I get a 10. The original is 62. So I get 62N is equal to 1,000. Divide both sides by 62. And I want to show you what number you get when you do your division. So we'll make sure that we do that quick review on rounding. So on the calculator, this is what I see, 16.129032, okay? I want to round to the nearest tenth, so again, I need to identify tenths place. This digit is in tenths place. The digit to the right of it, in order for me to increase this, I would have to have a 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, but I have a 2, so that means the 1 remains as 1. So I would have 16.1, so I would have 16.1%. Also in this particular section, we have to look at what we call discount and sell price. We're looking at discount and sell price. A discount will decrease your price, okay? So to find your discount is equal to the original price times the rate of discount. The original times the rate of discount. So what I have here is I have an item, I have a sweater, and the price of the sweater is $42.99. They have a rate of discount of 20%. Now what I'd like for us to do is, let's find the discount and the sell price. So to find the discount, always label your work. So my discount will be equal to the original price of the item, which is $42.99, and I'm going to multiply it by 20%. Now I'm going to change the 20% to a decimal. Remember, to change a percent to a decimal, you drop the percent symbol, shift the decimal 2 places to the left. The decimal for 20 is here, shift 2, 1, 2, so that gives you 0.2. Use your calculator and multiply. So on my calculator, this is what I see on the calculator. I see 8.598, okay? Now, cents is given in hundreds. So this would be $8.60. We're dealing with money now. So that's $8.60. Because this is in hundreds place, that 8 is enough for me to add 1 to that. So that's $8.60 for my discount. Now, what are they going to do at the store with that $8.60? To get my sale price, they will take the original price, which is $42.99, and they're going to subtract the $8.60 from that, okay? So we'll take the $42.99 and subtract the $8.60. And the cost of that item for me will be $34.39. One more example on this, and that will end this short lesson. Have a skateboard. The cost of the skateboard is $65. The rate of discount is 15%. Again, we're going to find the discount and the sale price. The discount and the sale price. So my discount will be equal to the original price, 65, times the rate of discount, let's write it as a decimal, 0.15. Again, take your calculator and do your multiplication. The discount is $9.75. To get the sale price, always label your work. It will be the original price, which was $65, minus the sale price. So it is on sale for $55.25. Okay. Now, I would like to show you one more thing, that in these particular problems, you are asked to find the discount, then the sale price. Now, if you were in a store and you were just interested in what will it cost me, what am I is going to cost me for the item, I just want to show you something right quick. If I had a pair of shoes, and let's say the shoes were $125, and they tell me that they have a discount of, they tell me that the rate of discount, let's say, is 25%. Well, what I'm interested in is, if I just wanted the sale price, if they're going to give me 25% off, that means that it's going to cost me 75% of the cost. So I could get the sale price by taking the $125, multiply times the percentage that I'm going to pay, and I'm going to pay 75% of the cost. And that is going to take me directly to what it's going to cost for me. So it will cost me, those shoes will cost me $93.75. That takes me directly to it.